And welcome to Fort Lauderdale, Florida. We are here in Florida for the National Speech and Debate Association National Tournament 2018, hashtag Nats 2018. And Connor and I are about to get in the elevator. So let's get the day started. I just got a solid workout in. Connor is about to. But he's a great humanitarian.
What the hell did you just say?
And he is grabbing a water bottle for Tiffany Polzine. Wow, this is awkward. Don't you just look so happy to be in the first vlog of Florida? How you doing? How are these, what the heck is this?
We are 5 hours into the day, and I've done absolutely nothing fun in Florida.
No one cares!
If you don't break, you'll have more time.
If you don't break, you'll have more time. That's the truth.
But I'm gonna be by myself, but...
Whenever I broke,
You're gonna roast yourself.
you literally have to do like 3 more rounds if you break. Two or three or something like that. It's not fun. This room smells like
Garbage.
acid. And here is our room. Madre. Kids are probably practicing right now. I'm about to get in trouble. Yep. How's it going? Crusty? A little crusty?
Alright.
Steven, how's he working? Good. That is good. Array of food that I will gain all of the weight back with.
To do the other things, of course.
To do it more exciting.
Just went into my room to try and take a shower after my crusty workout, but we were kicked out by servicemen and women who wanted to give us towels and soap and their time and energy. Who does that? You know, doing what I do. Fortnite grind never stops, dude. I think I'm 5 tiers away from the Omega. Really excited about that. These graphics are so bad on my laptop, but all I have to do is just plug in my PS4 controller and I can just play. So I think it's really dope. Let's check out where we're at in the Battle Pass. We're right there. We have 5 tiers left. So we're getting there. We are getting there. I cannot wait to get this dance, dude. This dance is so cool. Literally so awesome. So, also need to reach level 80. That's the goal. We got a ways to go. Showered. Clean. Belle, how's the grind going?
Please, stay out of this room and let her work.
I've seen this room. We are outdoors swimming here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida at the Embassy Suites Hotel. This is the scenery. Mom is recording. Mom, can you give us a look around what it looks like? Don't take too long, Mom. Okay. Great pan shot. Real good quality. Great content. Oh, you're still going? I just hit my head really hard on the top of that waterfall. Help. And now this thing won't open. You gotta press the button and push the gate at the same time. Guys, I'm in so much pain. And I look like an idiot. Why did I bring this hat? God. Bing and I are struggle busing through a Publix. I would like to call it a Publix because I believe that...
It's Publix.
Publix?
Publix.
Is it Publix, Publix, or Publix?
Publix.
Publix. That's a new one. So we are currently grocery shopping because we're getting food. There's no recording in Publix? Oh God. They don't allow recording in here. Because all this stuff is organic, and if you record organic stuff, that makes it GMO modified. Bang, point us to the goods. Fluff you mean. We're in Florida. You know we got that orange juice. Bing, pointing us to the goods. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, I'm sorry, she's trying to get out. I'm just trying to look at the crabbies. I wonder what would happen if I like stuck my hand in there. I'm going to do it. Oh, these are lobsters? I call them crabs.
You're behind me and I really have to fart.
You really have to what?
Fart.
Well, do it for the vlog. What do you want here at this Publix?
A PSN gift card. For
PSN gift card?
Mom said I need to buy something in Florida, not on PS4. Well, I'm buying a PSN card in Florida, so it just works.
Just got a really nice night run in and a really nice night swim in. This pool at night is dope. Connor, good breakfast. Mom, good breakfast. Bing and I jammed out. We had our speaker out here.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. We were going hard.
We're gonna eat breakfast tomorrow.
Breakfast. For the most part, it's been a really successful first day in Florida. It is lit.
Like I was personally making fun of him.
Who's adorable?
No, it seemed like people were doing it to make fun of him.
Who?
The breakfast guy.
The breakfast guy?
That
That guy's a legend. If I ever met him in real life, I would cry because of this. Look at how beautiful this is. Awesome gate. Oh, this is the complicated thing you saw earlier. Extremely hard, but I did it this time. First try. You're like Connor and Belle awkwardly being somewhat social. Koi pond, and Kevin's gone. Kevin. We have a dock over here, but what's the point of a dock if you can't walk on it, right? You cannot walk on this dock. There is no way to this dock. Doesn't make any sense to me. Still a very cool koi pond, to say the least. I'm a little wet, in a good way, not a bad way. I'm gonna go shower, and I'm probably gonna play some Fortnite, and then I'm gonna call it a night. But Florida, thank you for giving us an awesome first day. Belle, how was your first day here?
I have hiccups.
You have hiccups?
It looks like I'm out.
It looks like you're a mountain. You're not that crusty.